Alright guys, welcome to another vlog, and I am currently in front of Terminal 21. So we are still in lockdown, and even though you get to see a lot of motorbikes parking here, these are all the food delivery services by GrabFood, Foodpanda. They are always here standby, and once they get the order, they will just grab the food in a minute and deliver it right in front of your house. So this is inside Terminal 21, and then as you can see, there are booths set up over there, and these are chairs lined up. People will just wait here for takeaway foods, and once the food arrives, they will just call you by the number. The GrabFood guy here is coming here for food delivery. There are also Foodpanda, and each of these booths are for different restaurants. There people are standing far away from each other, and they're maintaining the social distancing at the moment. Alright, I'm gonna get myself some food right now. Alright.
ขออนุญาตลดก่อนโอเคนะครับ 36.3 ครับ
Alright guys, as you guys can see, this bridge is totally empty. Even though it's empty for like a good two seconds, that's how you know that Bangkok is so empty outside right now. This is Siam Paragon in normal working hour, but it's all closed upstairs. Other than the food corner around here, it's like a haunted place up there. I'm in front of Siam Paragon right now, and I'm not gonna lie, there are more people than I saw last week, more cars. So what is it? Is people in Thailand are feeling more safe to come outside? How do you feel about the current situation here in Bangkok? Let me know in the comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And there is definitely more motorbikes and more cars outside. It's just a nice clear blue sky, beautiful clouds, but it's still very hot out here though. Whew, look at this place. Alright guys, so finally made it to Chong Nonsi bridge. Looks like I almost got this place to myself. This place is more quiet than the previous location. So as you can see, there are still few people walking around. It's not totally empty. Right now I'm gonna fly the drone here. I hope I'm gonna get some drone shots and hopefully don't crash it anywhere around these buildings. So let's get it. All shots wrapped up, just got back in the car, and that is pretty much for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more contents like this in future. With that being said, I will see you guys on the next one. Until next time, stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. Peace out.